Well, this is an open door property. They usually do a lot of cosmetic things like painting or replacing carpets and things like that, so the properties show well. One thing to note, there's no wooden frame around the garage, so that's one less thing to maintain. That's a plus. We also happen to have another property just a couple of houses down, or a few houses down, and it did rent out. This is in the Cadence community in Henderson. Tons and tons of amenities. These are textured walls. The paint is grayish. Yeah, maybe a tiny hint of blue. We have the correct 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. We have beautiful hard counters, white cabinets that look like they were freshly painted. A bracket here for a space saver microwave, which obviously isn't there now. Beautiful backsplash. So this would probably be the living area, and this would be the dining area, I think, but I don't think it would hurt to swap. So this is great. We already have pavers down. We'll see if Jenny would recommend extending it out a little further since it's not that much space, but we'll see what she says. I have this already built-in shade patio cover. We already have the rocks in the back, so a lot of the big ticket items are already taken care of. It's really impressive. I'm not sure if it's conveying on the video, but how high the ceilings and doors are. No grout, less maintenance. Okay, so this wall, that's showing me 128 inches. Okay, so it's just over 12 feet. It's not too small. Oh. Hmm. 10 feet, sorry. I think there's a purplish hue to this carpet. I think it's grayish purple. Huge loft. Jenny loves that. Lots of extra space for families. Oh, also, this fan does not have a light kit, and neither did the fan downstairs. It's very inexpensive to add a light kit or even to replace fans. Just over $150 to replace the entire fan. But sometimes you can just add a light kit. Everything looks pretty good. There we go. This room does not have light kit either. We do have the door guides. We need a shower rod in here. Undermount sinks, cabinets look fresh. No rust on the light fixtures. Ooh. Great sized laundry room off to itself. It's not a room that you have to walk through. You have a sink. Plus it's upstairs, so no hauling laundry up and down the stairs. Big plus for families. No light kit on this one as well. Again, minor expense. Not difficult to add. So that's the property.